sound effect video with my mini microphone. So see if you can hear this. That's just a test. The real stuff will come on in just a minute. First we have hold on 1 second, I gotta clip the microphone. We have a soda can. Okay, now let's see if you will like it or not. Delicious. Now we will try some mixed nuts. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now, I'm going to be eating a little piece of Mr. Beast's sea salt chocolate. Make sure you eat my Feastables because they're so good. Much salt is in there, it's delicious. I gotta drink it down with some Diet Dr. Pepper. Excuse me. Wow, that was delicious. Now, we try to eat a pickle. These pickle todays aren't that crunchy, so you may not get a lot. To be fair, if the screen's dark, it's because this is a sound effect and not just a real video. Here comes the Dr. Pepper. Okay. Now, it's cheese and crackers. I like cheese and crackers. Make sure you just go check out my, whatchamacallit video? My, my restocking video I just posted. It is wonderful, I think, to me. But I'm a small YouTuber. Hopefully one day I'll become a big YouTuber. Well, it's gonna be a little noise. I got crackers. Time to eat the cheese and crackers. Gonna be crunchy. So let's try it out. Excuse me. I think cow cheese and whole grain wheat thins are delicious. delicious. Okay. After this bite, I got one more. Delicious. You know what? It's time to wash it down with some Dr. Pepper. Diet. Thanks for watching. Bye.